So yesterday, I did a video on what also happened yesterday, which was a squad call. It was like a Zoom call or something with Bernie Sanders, AOC, Ilhan Omar, Rashida Tlaib, and Ayanna Pressley. And basically, it sort of was a situation where there was a clip where Bernie Sanders was explaining how, I really get along with you guys, I really connect with you guys so well, more than I do with my own colleagues. And it kind of was like a baton passing moment, low key. Um, it seemed that way anyway. Now, Bernie Sanders isn't going in to the end of his career yet. He's actually still vying for a labor secretary position in a Biden admin. And he's still in politics for sure. But I think after 10 years, maybe 15, he's probably done. So he's definitely in the sunset of his career. And I think everybody looks at AOC, and the squad as a whole, but specifically AOC, as sort of the person who's going to be taking the baton. Those like track races where one runner runs like one quarter of it, then pass off the baton. I think everybody views AOC as the person that Bernie Sanders is going to be passing the baton off to. So it's really interesting because I guess the Vanity Fair talked to Bernie Sanders for the cover that AOC did on Vanity Fair. And here's what Bernie said. He said, "She endorsed me right after I had a heart attack, and there were some people who were writing our campaign off. I've always been grateful to her for doing that. There are some politicians who are very good on policy, and there are some politicians who are good communicators. And there are some politicians that have a way about them that relates very well to ordinary people. Alexandria has all three of those characteristics." So he's, it's sort of another sort of heartfelt moment. But as I told you guys, not a pun, by the way, but, I did explain to you guys yesterday also that AOC kind of saved Bernie Sanders' 2020 campaign. He was really sort of down in the dumps with his campaign. It seemed like it was going into the sunset of his campaign. His poll numbers were going down, and AOC and the squad kind of swooped up and saved it essentially. But I think Bernie Sanders and AOC actually had a lot of wholesome moments during the campaign. I know that there may have been some AOC versus Bernie Sanders campaign beef from the Joe Rogan stuff reportedly. I don't know how true all of that was. But it does appear that AOC is the chosen one who's going to be having the baton passed to her from Bernie Sanders. And it's really interesting to see how, they're sort of, that's kind of the offshoot here, right? AOC is the one who's going to be going. Is she going to be running for a Senate seat soon? Is she going to be running for president soon? Who knows? But we will definitely be posted. But another interesting point from Bernie Sanders.